Hi guys, I'm Teresa and welcome back to Just Another Shilling. Today I'm going to show you guys all about how I make spaghetti and meat sauce. This is definitely a favorite in our house. My kids could eat it every night if I allowed them to. So let's get started. So right here you'll see that I'm getting ready to have my pan going. I'm adding the olive oil into it, getting it warmed up just a little bit before I toss my onions in. My onions today, I don't really want to brown them, I just want to get them sweated, which means that they're just going to turn a little bit on the translucent side while we cook our meat. In the background you see I have my water going. It's so that once the sauce is done, the spaghetti is going to be done too. And we can eat dinner sooner rather than later. So here I'm just chopping up some mini bell peppers. We really like them in our house. They're a little bit thinner, they're a little bit sweeter, they cook a little bit faster. The downside is it's also a little bit harder to get those seeds out of the bell peppers. But it's what we had, so that's what we used. It's very well worth it. So my meat is just about done cooking, and because of that, it is time to start getting that pasta going. Here in this house we use Dreamfields pasta. It means that it doesn't take as long to cook. It also has a lower glycemic index, and it's really good. So yeah, we're going to have that started cooking just in time to finish up the sauce. So my ground beef is just about done, but honestly I am becoming impatient, so I went ahead and drained off most of the fat, clipped that one piece right there that's still a little bit red, and added my bell peppers in. I'm not too worried about the ground beef not being cooked all the way through. For the amount of time I'm going to have it in there cooking, it will definitely cook all the way through and be fine just for everyone to eat without getting sick. So, in all honesty, I do not actually set a timer for my pasta sauce. It's done when my sauce is done, or vice versa. They sort of generally end at the exact same time. So I am going to let it cook here for just a couple minutes, and then I'll be ready to add the sauce to my spaghetti. So here in our house, we like to top our spaghetti with Parmesan cheese. The kids really enjoy this step, so we usually let them do it themselves, which means that sometimes they have a little bit of spaghetti with their Parmesan. But that's okay. They're getting all of their nutrition in there somehow, so we tend to let it go. I also try really hard to make extra so that way I can have something to eat tomorrow at lunch. It is so good and so delicious and so healthy for me. I would rather have this than anything I could get at work. So that's it for me today from Just Another Shilling. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share, and thanks for watching. Have a good day, guys.